When traveling on an airplane, you may feel your ears pop during takeoff or landing. This happens because the air pressure changes at different altitudes. As you rise in the atmosphere, the pressure of the air around you decreases, allowing the air in your eardrums to expand, which causes the pop. Back on the ground, the pressure increases. Air pressure's relationship to height can be measured by a barometer, one of the first instruments invented to study the atmosphere. The development of the barometer began at the end of the 16th century. Galileo Galilei used water and air in an inverted glass vessel to study temperature. As the air temperature around the glass changed, the air inside the glass expanded or contracted in response, changing the level of the water. 50 years later, Evangelista Torricelli built upon Galileo's work by filling a glass tube with mercury and inverting it into a dish that also contained mercury. He noticed that the height of the mercury in the tube changed in advance of variations in the weather. When the mercury level lowered, the weather turned poor. When the mercury rose, the weather became fair. This experiment created the first barometer. In 1646, the French scientist Blaise Pascal used Torricelli's barometer to test his theory that air has different weight at different heights. He and his brother-in-law conducted 2 sets of experiments using barometers. One set measured mercury levels at the base and top of a tower in Paris, and one set measured mercury levels at various points along a mountain. In both cases, Pascal observed that the level of mercury in the tube changed in response to its height. These experiments proved that atmospheric pressure varies depending on altitude, and this relationship can be measured using a barometer.